In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Godaddy website subscription. Navigating the waters of any online service, especially when it comes to ending a subscription, can feel like trying to solve a complex puzzle. Whether it's about cutting costs or moving to another service, the decision to cancel a subscription is a significant one. Today, I'll guide you through the process of cancelling your Godaddy website subscription in a straightforward and hassle-free manner. Let's dive right into the process. The first thing you'll need to do is to access the Godaddy website. Once there, look for the sign in button, which you'll typically find in the top right corner of the page. Click on that to proceed. After clicking on sign in, you'll be prompted to enter your Godaddy username and password. This is the same information you used when you first signed up for Godaddy. Make sure to type in your details carefully to avoid any errors that might delay the process. With your credentials entered, click on the Sign In button again to access your account. Upon signing in successfully, you'll be directed to the Godaddy dashboard, a central point where you can manage all your Godaddy services. Now let's go a bit deeper. Look for your profile photo, which is again usually located in the top right corner of the page. Clicking on your profile photo will bring down a menu with various options. From this menu, find and click on Renewals and Billing. This is where all your active subscriptions with Godaddy are listed. Once you're in the Renewals and Billing section, it's time to locate the specific website subscription you wish to cancel. Subscriptions are typically listed with details including service names, renewal dates, and the all-important option for management, represented by 3 dots or an ellipsis symbol next to each subscription. Find and click on these 3 dots next to the subscription you're targeting. A menu will appear with several options. What you're looking for is the option that says Turn off Auto Renew. Clicking on this effectively cancels the automatic renewal of your subscription, meaning it will expire at the end of the current billing cycle. It's a crucial step, as it stops any future charges related to this subscription. At this point, Godaddy might prompt you with a confirmation message, or possibly even offer incentives to keep your subscription active. These could range from discounts on renewal to free upgrades or other benefits. It's entirely up to you to consider these offers, but if your mind is set on cancellation, proceed by confirming your choice to turn off auto renewal. Congratulations, you've successfully navigated through the process of cancelling your Godaddy website subscription. Remember, if ever you decide to reactivate or explore other services, Godaddy will warmly welcome you back. But before I wrap up, here are some additional tips to ensure everything goes smoothly. 1. Timing is key. Try to manage your subscription well before the renewal date to avoid being charged for another cycle. 2. Confirmation, Keep an eye on your email for a confirmation from Godaddy that your auto renew has been turned off. This serves as your proof just in case there's a glitch and you're incorrectly billed in the future. 3. Consider backing up. If you have important data or content on your website, make sure to back it up before the subscription ends. Once your subscription is cancelled and expires, you might lose access to this data permanently. By following these steps and recommendations, you've not only taken control of your online services and expenses, but also learned a bit more about navigating subscription-based services online. Whether you're simplifying your digital life, shifting your business strategy, or merely ending a project, the power to manage your online presence effectively and efficiently is key. And remember, as you grow and evolve, your digital needs might change. Keep exploring and staying informed on the best practices to handle online services and subscriptions. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, remember to like, share and subscribe for more guides and tips. Here's to your continued online success until next time.